Morning, you guys. Today we took two trades. One hit my first take profit and then broke even. The other one we had to move to break even because data highs got taken on ES, and I did want to just let this ride out, but I had to move to break even and got a brutal wick. But first trade, we swept these highs up here. And then we came into equilibrium of this little range. And then, so yeah, we hit equilibrium after sweeping these highs. Also filling this fair value gap right here. And so then we took shorts, and our first take profit was, I think it was actually just these lows right up here, was my first take profit. And then we had another take profit here and another take profit here, and these were all just different lows. So ended up hitting our first take profit and then going to break even. And then coming over here, something I've been learning was changing state of delivery. So we had a change of state delivery on the 2-minute right here. And so then we went long, hoping to push to these data highs. I also wanted to see it come to these highs, but took majority of my position out right here. But then, yeah, as you guys can see, ES came and took their highs out. And so then it failed to take MNQ's highs out, unfortunately, causing me to be break even. Would have got broke even again right here probably, but we still made 130 bucks on the day. These are setups I like. Market was moving, as you guys can see, just a little weird. So still think, I mean, a win is a win, so I'm still happy. But as you can see, look, it's going to data highs as we speak now. But yep, still a good trading day. Let's see. Tomorrow should be another good trading day. I don't think I'm going to activate my Apex account. I think I'm just going to cancel that, and I'll use that other 100. See, there we go. That would have been our first TP hit. With our second TP somewhere right here, actually. Just one more contract off right here, and then the last one up to here. So, this obviously does kind of suck, but it is what it is. I can't get mad at this. I'm done for the day. But, yeah, no, so I'm not going to be activating that Apex account. I think I'm just going to I'm going to save that money, pass this, and use that money to activate this. So, we'll see what happens, but I think I'm just going to cancel that account. I don't know. I haven't heard good things about Apex, and like today, a bunch of people couldn't trade. So, I don't know. I also thought about just using my own money and creating a live account and trading like that, and that would help me develop a better strategy instead of worrying about money. Yes, my wins would only be like $5, $10, but it would make me a lot more stricter with my trading. So yeah, I don't know. That's the thought too. If you guys have any ideas on that, let me know. But still made 130 today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.